Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the ESPN Fantasy Sports application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Fantasy Sports application and log in using your credentials, you will be taken into the home page. Now, from this page, if you tap on the gear icon at the top right, you will not see any options within the settings page to change your username or your game user ID. So in order to change it, you will need to contact the support team. Just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device, and tap on the search box. Once you tap on it, type in ESPN Fantasy Sports and start your search, and then tap on the application once you locate it. Then just tap on the App Support drop-down button to find the email address that you can use to contact the customer care. Once you tap on this email address, just use your email application, and you can now directly send a support email to the ESPN support team. Now, within the subject section, you can simply type in that your username is incorrect, and then explain your case in detail within the main body section, and also mention your preferred username that you wish to change into. After typing in this email, tap on the send button, and you will receive a response within a few days with the instructions that you can follow in order to change your username. And there you have it. That is how you can go around the issue of changing your username on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.